So you can go ahead and do your own introduction.
What's up, guys? My name is Larry Languageins. I am a hyper polyglot, which means I am a polyglot that is extremely hyper all the time, and I speak 37 plus languages. I've seen a lot of videos online of people speaking languages, and while most people think this is impressive, I honestly think it's just cute. So I'm going to go through like all the 37 plus languages I know and show you guys that becoming fluent in a language is super easy, and you can do it in like 2 minutes like me. Portuguese. Obrigado. My Portuguese is like really good. Obrigado, that's like all I know how to say, but I'm like fluent in that one.
So would you like to speak, if we can have a little bit of a dialogue back and forth?
Yeah.
In maybe Dolphin. I have a dictionary right here so I can kind of,
Yeah, absolutely.
Try to pronounce some words.
Yeah, sure. If you want to ask me a question in Dolphin?
Yeah,
or...
yeah.
Wait, I think you meant to say right? You were trying to say that?
I was. That's what I was trying to say.
Yeah, that's like...
It's the that got me.
Yeah, that basically means like, how was your bar mitzvah?
I have a list here of 37 plus languages.
Sure.
And I'll say a language, and then you respond with the first word in that language that comes to your mind.
Okay, sure.
Okay?
Yeah, sounds good.
Italy.
Watermelon. Greek, I know Malaka. That is my most strong language. So that's like the only word I know, but I'm definitely the most fluent in Greek. I mean, I don't even like languages.
So does your family speak any of the number of languages you're... bless you.
Sorry, yeah, that's actually one of the first languages I learned was sneezing. I'm like pretty proficient in it, but still definitely learning. But,
I wasn't aware that sneezing was a form of communication.
Yeah, well, it's similar to the coughing language family as well.
If I go like, I could offend someone. I might have said something offensive.
Yeah, what you just said offended me. Spanish, I'm just starting to learn Spanish. Don't really know Spanish. So.
Now was that a language right there?
No, yeah.
You could have just.
No, yeah.
That could have been an insult towards me.
No. I was basically just like, oh, like, it's so good to be me. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so rich. Like, I speak so many languages. That's pretty much what I said. Like, honestly, like, all you have to say is figo, and like, you're pretty much Italian. So I could say like, io posso parlare italiano perché io sono americano, which, it makes sense if you speak Italian. Anyways, fluent in Italian.
Saying you're fluent doesn't really mean you have mastered.
I mean, like, it doesn't, but like it does. You know what I mean?
No.
Probably spending about like 25 hours, 25, 26 hours each day. So
you would go into the next day?
No, I just do, it's just one day.
One day, 25 or 26 hours.
Yeah, that's right. English is a hard language. It's a hard language.
How would you describe English?
Hard. So, Bulgarian, that's like so easy. I know how to say like, anyways, yes, I'm fluent in that. Lithuanian, I can say, so I'm fluent in that. And I also lived in China for about like 20 years. So, even though I'm 16,
What language do you recall your memories?
It's called memory language. But like every single sentence like starts with M. So like, for example, ask me how to say something right now.
How do you say hi? How are
So
you?
you say like ma'am, and like that's just like hi, how are you?
I said like mau.
Okay, don't. That was a little bit too far.
My sincerest apologies. I did not mean to offend your memory.
Mama.
When you say you're fluent in a language, I don't think you have the same definition as everyone else.
It's kind of like the same where like you just can't comprehend how good I am.
What would like a casual conversation between two narwhals sound like?
It's kind of like a whistling thing, but with like a lots of like spitting. So it's kind of like
Do you find yourself immersing yourself in the culture while you're there? Do you...
Typically not. I mean, I like don't really like most culture. I just kind of like sit inside and then like judge other people. I'm like arrogant and stuff. And, like don't really like know much about. But like I speak all the languages. I'm fluent in all of them.
Right. Yeah. You've made that. Point
Yeah.
several
I'm fluent.
times.
English and Spanish. I'm not fluent. What's up, guys? This is Larry Languageins. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already.